toy. What is up? Another episode of Mainly Off Grid here. Got to camp last night. Just kind of cleaning up, a little bit of drizzle. Finally got to fix the Ranger because that's been a little messed up for a while. Got to cut some trees. We got to mill some wood. Hopefully get some 2x6s milled for the pavilion build. Hopefully. It's just me, Seth, and Aria, and Granny's here. Maybe do a little cabin tour of Granny's cabin. Pops will be here in a couple days, and a couple other stragglers. Stay tuned. Now we got to do some work. Gotta get some stuff done. Another epic fail on the Ranger. Had all brand new parts. Amazon sent me stuff for the rear wheel hubs, so that was very nice of Amazon. Really appreciate that. So yeah, we need 20 2x6s for the roof for the pavilion. So we're just kind of scanning, seeing what trees we can harvest from over here in the back. You want to cut stuff, right, Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only worry about my right ear. Really exhausted.
Where did I put it? I'll get it.
I put it.
On the side.
Yeah.
It's not the same pitch that we just took off.
Yeah, that one was on there.
Oh yeah. Oh boy.
Really short. Yeah, now you get an upward angle. We'll put it in the low.
She's in low, bro. You ready?
The Neotech?
Oh yeah, use that Neotech.
Yeah, a little baby.
Come on, baby. Hey, bud. How are you?
How you doing, Black?
Good to see you.
Yep.
literally just push them up.
Hey, look, raspberries.
Oh.
Get on it like I'm on it right here and slide it. There you go.
It's so uneven.
Alright, keep rolling. No, I want you to roll it now, bud.
Oh.
This one's a little small. Want to try to pick this one up?
Oh, you're crushing my fingers. Push it a little bit.
Push. 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 Alright, hold on. Yeet. Whoa. Hold on. There we go. Roll away. Come on, bro.
Oh, I should have done this. Should I got them socks on? That's got the socks?
That one's a little long. Get behind it, Seth.
I am.
Push. There you go.
That's my height level for.
Some are a little small. We got something, but it's a start. Look at the mill uncovered. Fired up.